In this video, I will show you how to add Gmail in Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, tap on this menu at the top right side. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this settings and privacy. Go to settings. Under settings, all you have to do now, tap on this personal details option. Scroll all the way to down and tap on this personal details again. Under this, tap on this contact info. So as you can see now, under this contact info, now you can be able to see all your email on your Facebook. So now all you have to do now to add a new Gmail, tap on this add new contact button. Tap on this add email button. So from this section now, all you have to do now, tap on go and type in your new Gmail that you want to add. For me, let's say I want to add a new Gmail. Let's say I want to add this one. After you type the Gmail, tap on this, scroll all the way to down and select the account. Check on this section and tap on this next button. Send you a code now to this email that you add. After you type the code now, tap on this next button. Now you added your Gmail on your Facebook account. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.